In case you were wondering, I'm not Matt. Hey guys, and welcome to another Ready Yeti First Look. I'm Drew, and this week we're checking out Blossom Skis. These are the Namaste from Blossom Skis, but before we look at these skis, let's talk about the brand. Blossom is a ski manufacturer based in Italy that's been making skis for over 20 years, and they made a name for themselves making race skis in Europe. You can compare them to brands like Kesley or Stokely. You likely haven't seen much of Blossom in the US over the last few years, but you can expect that to change as they start ramping up their North American distributions. The Namaste is an all-mountain ski that's 99 millimeters underfoot and a long turning radius. It has camber underfoot, slight tip rocker, and a flat tail. The thing that stands out most about this ski to me personally is actually the extremely consistent flex that it has. It's honestly one of the most consistent flexing skis I've felt on the market. It's just really even in the tail and the tip with a really solid underfoot area. It's like a nice smile, you know? This ski is laid up with a wood core and a Titanal sheet, so you know it's going to be incredibly stable at speed. And it has a similar stiffness to a forefront Raven or a Hoji, but like I said, it has a much more consistent flex feel, I think mainly due to that metal sheet. On top of that, the top sheet is actually a really nice material. It's kind of this shiny, matted finish, which is kind of interesting. It's similar to what you might see on like a pair of Fisher skis this year. You can get the Namaste in 3 sizes, 168, 178, and 188. I think this would be a great all-mountain ski or daily driver if you're looking to, kind of ski all over the mountain and do it fast. It would also be a really good candidate for kind of like a resort backcountry ski with like a Solomon shift binding, where maybe you're gonna spend a little bit of time in the backcountry, but mostly ski the resort. That's it for our first look at Blossom Skis, the Namaste. I hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to like this video and comment down below what you thought. As always, subscribe to our channel, and you can expect another Ready Yeti First Look with Matt coming up next week.